focused, man. I swear I'm focused. These motherfuckers don't know. I'm the motherfucking golden child. Anywhere I go, you know you going with me. Bobby and Whitney without the sniffing. Dog, your bitch look like Eddie Griffin. I'm three-wheeling, keep the Chevy tipping. Big bearded Buddha banging bitches in Bermuda. Barry Bonds, Barracuda, Chattanooga. Back alley shooter, black belly Buddha. Catch me jumping out the plane like a black puma. Stone, pump the Depeche Mode. Man, all I see is red snow. Left my man with a headstone on Edgecombe. He was going for the glory in the end zone. Just another sob story cause the pen's cold. Am I gonna sell my soul? That depends, ho. Man, the vehicle's a rental. Speak gentle, mink sweatsuit. Stab your father while he pissing in the men's room.
Just can't seem to get you off of my mind. Always seems going nowhere. Just can't seem to get you off of my mind. The night for free. Always seems going nowhere. Always seems going nowhere. Always seems going nowhere. Going nowhere.
NYC, what the fuck is going on? These motherfuckers won't play my song. They saying that we soft, they saying that we fell off. They saying that these other fuckers better than us. You gotta be kidding. A bunch of pussies when you piss. You gotta be sitting. You tie your hair in a bun, a shirt and a knot. You got the urge to suck the cock, a Serge Ibaka. Pictures of naked rappers hanging in your locker. You and your father never played catch. He taught you how to twerk. Since I've been on the earth, I've been lighting earth. And I've been all around the world twisting dikes and perp. Shit, like the earth, man.
Just can't seem to get you off of my mind. Always seems going nowhere. Just can't seem to get you off of my mind. The night for free. Always seems going nowhere. Always seems to get you off of my mind. Always seems going best with the night for free. Going best with the night for free. Best with the night for free. Just can't seem to get you off of my mind. Always seems going nowhere. Just can't seem to get you off of my mind. The night for free. Always seems going nowhere. Always seems to get you off of my mind. Always seems going best with the night for free. Going best with the night for free. Free. Only in America.
Shit, sun is setting and I'm watching clockers. Reflecting what way of my options. Shit, should I turn to nonsense or keep it narrow and legitimate? Pockets is penniless, but we killing shit. Audio chemists, come get the fix. Creative minded niggas been blinded by the glare of the shine. Got the nerve and chiming with their comments. Miso told me difficulty is time, but I'll be stupid if I waited for the mops to get mine. So I'm steady grinding, creating like my life dependent. Keep it self-sufficient. I'm underground, as well as independent. I'm out for self. Anybody that's rioting, don't try to front on the kindness when we count the commas. To keep it honest, I'm not for the drama, nor corruption in regards to what counters. I promise real nigga try to progress. Until then, I like the cess to relieve of the stress, nigga. Shit, I got a pocket full of pennies, mind full of brilliance, heart full of gold. Shit, I'm bound to make a killing. My niggas plotting for $1 million. Check. So I roll up to empty, spark a blunt into a Kingsley and Kenny. Pockets empty, excluding a couple pennies. But we plotting on bitches and whipping the latest bitches to bits while having bitches flashing their titties for presidents. And yo, the game is funny, cause bitches quick to play your honey. Niggas earn their hanging like G money. I keep my ciphers tight, avoiding the plate. Be dismissed off the motherfuckers that's disturbing the light. Fuck it, that's life. Living ain't no fun in paradise. Shit, it's a gamble. Roll your paradise. You be lucky to strike, cause in this battlefield you gotta earn stripes. At times